Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an eye look. We are doing a princess inspired eye look. I chose the princess Ariel the Little Mermaid, but while I was doing my makeup I decided that, you know, I didn't really want to do red eyeshadow, so I kind of based it off of like pretty colors, like from the coral reef or whatever, shells, pastel colors, and then a little bit of blue for the ocean. So I couldn't make up my mind, so I did two different eye colors, and I did a little pink and a little bit of blue on both sides. If you want to see how I did both of these eye looks, then just keep watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Whatever the hell you want to do it, and let's get into this video.
I'm making a video.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Let me get in closer for you. I did two different eye looks. I definitely like the blue eye side better than the pink eye side. I'm sorry, but here's Miss Amiri. She was starting to cry, so I had to stop what I was doing and start holding her. But this is my princess inspired eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, let me know which eye look was your favorite in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, whatever the heck you want to do, do it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.